Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to delve right into how to use Airtable for managing an art exhibition. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, you want to create a new base. Just click the plus button on your Airtable dashboard. This is the foundation of your project where all your data will be stored. Think of it as your digital command center for the art exhibition. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up tables. You'll need at least 3 tables, one for artists, one for artworks, and one for visitors. These tables are where you'll input and organize all your vital data, from artist information to visitor registration details. Next up, it's time to add records to your tables. Each row represents a record, so go ahead and start entering your information. The reason we do this is to populate our tables with the essential data that we'll need to manage the exhibition. Let me explain why this matters. By filling these records, you're building a comprehensive database that allows you to easily track and manage various aspects of the exhibition, from artwork shipping details to guest lists. Once you've added your records, the fun begins. You can start linking records between tables. For instance, you can link an artwork to its artist. This helps us because it creates relationships between your data, allowing you to view and manage your exhibition in a more interconnected way. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you link records, Airtable automatically creates a two-way connection, so changes in one place reflect everywhere. This means you can easily keep everything up to date with minimal effort. Lastly, don't forget to explore and use Airtable's various views. You can switch between grid, calendar, gallery, and Kanban views depending on your needs. This flexibility is a major strength of Airtable, enabling you to visualize and interact with your data in ways that suit your workflow best. And there you have it. That's how you can use Airtable to effectively manage an art exhibition. Remember, it's all about creating a structured, interconnected database that allows you to track and manage every aspect of your exhibition seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.